Everyone, welcome to Mathdash. In today's videos, we are going to solve this exponential equation 2 power x plus 4 power x is equal to 8 power x. And we have to find the value of the x which satisfy this exponential equation. Let us solve this. We can write it as 2 power x plus 4 can be written as 2 power 2 bracket power x is equal to 8 can be written as 2 power 3 bracket power x. No, we know that a power n bracket power m it is equal to a power m bracket power n. No, we can rewrite our equation as 2 power x plus 2 power x bracket power 2 is equal to 2 power x bracket power 3. No, let us suppose that 2 power x is equal to y. Thus, our equation will become y plus y square is equal to y cube, or we can write it as y cube is equal to y square plus y, which can be rewritten as y cube minus y square minus y is equal to 0. Now we can take out y from each of this term out, and we get y times y minus y square minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now here are two terms. First term is y and second term is y square minus y minus 1. No, on equating both term to 0, first term is y is equal to 0 and second term is y square minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now here y. In place of y we put 2 of x is equal to 0, which implies 2 of x is equal to 0, and it is an exponent, it always positive, it is always greater than 0, thus it cannot equal to 0. Thus y is equal to 0 and 2 power x is equal to 0, not defined. Now on the second case we have to solve it. No, here second case is y square minus 1 minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation. No, here is a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus of 1 and c is equal to minus of 1. No, we know that y is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times ac divided by 2 of a. Now on substituting the value of a, b and c, we get y is equal to minus time minus of 1 plus minus square root of b square means that minus 1 square minus 4 times a. A means 1 and c means minus of 1 divided by 2 of a means that 2 times 1. No, it gives out y is equal to 1 plus minus square root of 1 minus time minus it become plus 4 divided by 2. 2 times 1 it become 2. Y is equal to plus minus square root of 5 divided by 2. No, it gives out the two value. First value is 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2 and second value is 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. No, in this case square root of 5 is greater than 1. No, 1 minus square root of 5 it is always less than 0, but y is equal to 2 of x and 2 of x is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2 is less than 0, which is not defined. Thus we have to reject our this root 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. Now we have only root is 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. No, in place of y we put 2 power x is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. No, it is an exponential. No, on taking log on both sides, ln of 2 power x is equal to ln of 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. No, first of all, we take this logarithm property ln of a power x is equal to x ln of a. No, on using this identity on the left hand side, our left hand side will become x ln of 2 is equal to ln of 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. Now, on the next step, we know that ln of a divided by b is equal to ln of a minus ln of b. Now, I'm using this identity on the right hand side. Thus, our equation will become x ln of 2 is equal to ln of 1 plus square root of 5 minus ln of 2. Now, in the next step, on dividing both sides by ln of 2, we get x ln of 2 divided by ln of 2 is equal to ln of 1 plus square root of 5 divided by ln of 2 minus ln of 2 divided by ln of 2. Now we can cancel out this ln of 2 by this ln of 2, which implies x. We can cancel out this ln of 2 by ln of 2. Thus x is equal to ln of 1 plus square root of 5 divided by ln of 2 minus of 1, which is the required value of the x which satisfy our given exponential equation. If you're new here, make sure that you to subscribe our channel for a more informative video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.